Hey folks, Turbine Guy coming back at you in southern Minnesota, somewhere near Randolph at an undisclosed location. Today I'm dropping off parts for a client who had his own solar modules brand new, but didn't have any of the equipment, didn't want to deal with Excel or the building permit. Now we can see right behind me here, it's going to get mounted on this nice beautiful roof that's south facing. Now the goal right now is to get 36 of his 50 modules up there, but if the power company allows, what are we going to do? Come on in, James. What are we going to do? We're going to try to get all 50 up.
Yeah.
And why do you think they might give us a chance?
Because I have an electric car over here that I produce a lot of electricity with too.
He said he's got 50 modules up there, REC 310s, I think, Rec 310s. Come on over. For now, we got him 36 M-phase microinverters. What do you think about these guys?
I think they're going to be sweet. Easy installation. And yeah, not many wires.
Now, you got to be excited to do this yourself.
I am.
Yeah.
Very excited. Yeah. Otherwise, I wouldn't have done it.
Otherwise, you wouldn't have done it?
No.
No. Well, how come?
It's expense.
Costs too much.
Yep.
But you're going to be saving a bunch by doing it yourself.
Yep. Correct.
Which is why you called the Turbine Guy.
Yep.
Now, I got to ask you, did you call anybody else?
I called a couple of companies for quotes, and I tried to get them, tell them I had my own panels, and
They didn't want to hear it.
nope,
They didn't want to hear nothing about it.
nope.
But that's what the Turbine Guy is for.
Yeah.
I get called, he's got the panels, he doesn't know what to do. I put the system and equipment together back here. As we could see, we got the rails, we got the microinverters, we got everything. And I'm going to do the paperwork, the Excel paperwork, help him with his building permit, and make it possible for this guy to do his job by clearing the way for him to do it, huh, James?
Yes.
There you go, folks. Happy client. That's what the Turbine Guy likes. Turbine Guy, signing off.